I don't want to say that we go inside the walls and get the smoke out, but we can set a machine out and let it take up all of the smell. All right, let's do this one time, man. We're about to come in here and we are going to do a smoke restoration. Smell like smoke. This is a new sale. One of the realtors that we work with called us, and I know you can't smell it through the thing, but it has a faint smell of cigarettes in here. So what we have now is we have a new system. No, we have a new machine that we have purchased, an ozone machine. And so we're gonna give it a try in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe down some of the surfaces with something that has a smell to it. And I may spray the carpet. Now this is extra. I spray the carpet with something that has a smell, all right, to eat the odor up if it has odor inside the carpets. And then I put the ozone layer, ozone machine in here. Yeah, some work he has to get that taken care of. But this is a new home. He just bought it. And I wanted to work with realtors because I want to be close as I can to the home buying process. Got a little congrats and stuff right here. Let's see what this is. I didn't get this when I bought my home. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look, gift. It's William Wade here, man, with Ascent Cleaning Solutions. We are about to do a smoke removal, light smoke removal. I don't want to say that we go inside the walls and get the smoke out, but we can set a machine out and let it take up all of the smell. Now is I'm making sure I got a wipe down with the smell on it, because even though the ozone is taking all the smells out, I want to kind of have a smell of freshness in here as he comes into his new home. Again, he has some work to do on it, but let me make sure I do my part to where he comes into the home and it smells fresh. Wipe this down up here. Again. We're not cleaning, we're just wiping, putting the scent in the room. What we will do is we will leave this here. For a day, and come back and get it. There we go. All right, so what we're doing, we spraying the light a little bit, making sure we got a nice mist over the floor. Okay. So this service here, it's a new service we're adding for the new year, and not that pricey. It's not that pricey, but it's not that hard. For a nice house, we'll add an extra $100 to rid the house of smoke, if it can be done with this machine. And I will come in and I will spray the machine down and put it up. And All right, let's see how it go. That smells real good. I like it. I'm pleased. Let's go. See you tomorrow. 24 hours. Let this thing. Put the key back. And now we are headed to our next building.